Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the faceplate copy and the spinner template to create your own faceplate straight inside the slicer, so no need for Fusion 360 for this. If we slice this, you will see everything is working. See, the logo is embedded and the text is embedded. So how do we do that inside the slicer? You'll take your faceplate copy. So we'll Control C, Control V, make a copy of this. And then I'll do the same with this. Copy and paste. So what I'm going to do is click on the faceplate. You need this horizontal for the easiest way to do this. So we'll just leave this error message alone for right now. Horizontal, you'll come up here to the text, and then we'll go ahead and type in size 35, thickness. You want this set to 0 because this is how much it's going to project outside of the model, but you want it flush. So 0. Embedded depth, we're going to go 1 because we want it to go backwards 1 millimeters. Input text, your text. Okay, now what we can do, hover over the model where you want it. If you don't get it perfect on the first try, don't worry. If you have it, I'll go ahead and click right here to show you. What you can do now is you can see on the left side this text shape, and then you can come to the move tool and then drag it to the center wherever you're needing it. And then also if you want to change the size of this, click off, click back on, come find your text shape, and now you can do here, change the size of your text if you need. I'm going to put it back to 35, and then I'm going to go back to the move tool. Oop, I need to click the text shape to move it. And then also you need to color it. So I'm going to color this black. From there, you'll have to flip it on its face, lay on face, and then you'll rotate this to fit it on the bed. And that's it. That's all there is to it to do that. Now for the to put your logo on the spinner, an easy way to do this is with, you need a clean SVG. So what I'm going to do is convert one. That way you can see me do this from start to finish. So I'm going to find my logo file. Logo, I'll do one with the background because that's likely what you'll probably have. This is vectorizer.ai. Please use my affiliate link if you're going to purchase this. It's $10 a month, but it is very well worth your time. Saves me so many hours. Throw your logo in here. Download the logo. Make sure to pause and capture these same settings. We need to download, minimize this. Now what we can do is go to your downloads, drag the logo in the screen. So brief interruption, if you could go to shirtle.com/links and purchase any of your items such as Bambu Lab printers, filament, LED string lights you might use for the light boxes, Polymaker filament, my affiliate link here, Vectorizer AI. It is no longer free. You can use this to use my affiliate link. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much. Okay, once you get your logo in the slicer, you can go ahead and start coloring the parts. Right here, I'll just type a number on the numpad. I don't need this part, so I'm going to hit delete, and I'm just going to go through and delete all of the pieces that I don't need. Color, delete, color, delete, color, delete. Okay, so once you're down to the parts that you do need, color each one the color that you want. I'm going to color this, and then after you get this done, you're going to want to flip it upside down. So we're going to click it and then lay on face. Okay. We're going to drag this over here for a good size comparison. grab your vector image that you imported, and then we're going to scale it. You can do now, flip it over. Put this however big you want. And then, oops, did not mean to do that. Then once you get it to the right size, you're going to need to move this to the place you want it. Perfect. So now from here, you have to assemble these two, because if you slice it, it's going to combine the white and the green, and it's going to give you an error. So what you need to do now is click the white assembly, the gear, and then hold shift and click your image, your vector. And then you're going to, okay, another error. So you can see where this is too thick. What you want to do is also scale this down to about 1.4. So we're going to click your vector image and then click the scale button. Make sure your uniform scale is turned off. On the Z height, you want to go 1.4, enter. What this is going to do is only make it 1.4 millimeters thick, and it's only going to dig into the front. Okay, now back to where we were. You want to click on the assembly, which is a white gear, and then you want to hold shift and click your vector image. Now what you want to do is right click on the screen, click merge, and now all of those pieces are technically one body. Now you can hit slice, and then it will be combined in the slicer. And there you go. That's how you can put your logo image on the front of the spinner. Side note, if the white spinner is showing up instead of your logo, make sure on the left side that the spinner is above your parts. Because a spinner has to be on top. Everything on bottom will be priority on the printing.